In previous tutorial, we talked a little bit more about how we can actually connect all kinds of tools directly inside Cloudy. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make the actual quick connection between the Cloudy and GitHub. So the first thing I'm going to be doing here is to sign in directly into the dashboard of the actual GitHub. Now that I'm correctly signed in, let's head back directly into my Claude AI. I'm going to sign in directly inside here. Then I wanted to be telling I want to work with my previous project of, in this case, you can paste the actual tool you ever wanted to. In this case, you want to be using GitHub. And go for it. Let's get started. This prompt will be telling the actual Cloudy to look out for the actual connector that can actually make like a really great connection or a bridge between the Cloudy and the tool you're going to be trying to find out. In this case, the GitHub. Now, if it doesn't have an actual connector found into the registry, you need to do it directly with the actual MCP server. So the actual most easiest way, which in this case is the MCP server, you want to go for the context menu. So when you logged in directly into the Google, in this case a cloud account via the web desktop application, you open the first chat, you trigger the AI protocol, which in this case, for example, you open into existing product dashboard space, you click into the plus into the chat box for your product knowledge block and choose add from GitHub from the utility drop down menu. If it doesn't appear, you can look out for the element here. It says browse the actual new connector or add a new custom connector. So here I will try to find the actual GitHub. If it doesn't connect correctly, you can look out for an actual new plugin. Now, if it doesn't find an actual connector directly inside here, I believe it should be appearing inside here, but just in case it didn't appear, you need to add an official GitHub MCP server. So you need to go directly into your GitHub account settings. So you can find into the upper right corner and go for the element that says settings. And you can focus directly into the developer tools that you must be finding directly into my developer settings. Then I need to look out for the personal access tokens that I should see directly inside here and generate an actual new token in order to generate, for example, a new one. For example, get a new token. And you can of course make sure to check the explicit, of course, generate new token. The explicit scopes for repo, public repo, and read user. You copy that token down securely, so you can be checking that element. So in this case, for example, you go for public repositories, description, token name should be Cloudy. Now, if I navigate directly into the github.com/apps/Cloudy, I will be installing this element automatically because sometimes this one is not appearing into our Cloudy stuff. So I wanted to be making sure that we have finished connecting with the actual GitHub and make sure that we have manually done this process because sometimes this one, I believe it doesn't appear automatically, so I can be making sure that directly into my connectors it should be appearing now as connected, and we are now actually good to go. So if I head back directly into my actual connection into the plus dashboard, I should see that the actual in this case the GitHub has now been correctly added. So I wanted to make sure that the actual connector is now been correctly been added, as I might be saying so, which in this case here's the GitHub integration. So we can head back directly into the chat and try to ask the actual element if this one is not being correctly added. And make sure that your GitHub repository is not private, otherwise this just won't work. Really important to take that in mind and to change that from private into, in this case, something more public, right? So with this being said, hopefully it was a very useful information for you guys. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully with all this being said, we're gonna see you well next time.